Okay, it is departure day to take off from our camp here at American Girl Mine Road near Winterhaven, California. This has been a great camp. Really enjoyed exploring around here. Lots of good off-roading and hiking, and just a great place to wrap up the caravan. So most of us are heading out today. We're going to head over to Quartzsite for the RTR gathering, get a camp established there, and just continue this adventure. So I'm going to get packed up here. I've got a few things out. We had an incredible amount of moisture this morning, so everything was really wet, so I had to wipe it down. Now just letting it dry. My chair there. So we'll get loaded up here, head on out. The adventure continues. All right, it is time to roll out of here. Oh, what a fun spot. We gotta remember to stop and get our sign. Remember where it is.
It's a very fine day.
Okay, we've got our sign. Let's get on out of here. Looks like we've got about 77 miles to our next destination. Actually, a little further, 77 miles to Ehrenberg, Arizona. Need to take care of some business there, then we'll be moving over to Quartzsite. Away we go. Have a border patrol checkpoint. They're looking for illegal immigrants, illegal drug smuggling. Ooh, you name it. Hey, good morning.
Good evening.
Thank you, appreciate it. That is that. Well, I'll give you a shot of my camp here. It is actually the next morning. I went riding around on my trail bike visiting, and the whole day and evening got away from me. So we'll check it in here in the morning. This is my little makeshift camp. I'm probably just going to camp here just last night and pack up and move on. I need to go into town and do laundry, and probably will come back and find a camp somewhere else, but we'll see. Quite a few folks here. I put the drone up yesterday, got a little overhead look. We'll show you some of that. But I think a lot of people have rolled in since then. So the area is filling up with campers, nomads, travelers, and such. Beautiful. All right, we are going on a bike ride into town. This is our bike posse here. We're gonna go take over Q-Town. All right, so we stopped at the campground host to get our permits. Keeping the host busy here. This is the campground host for Scat and Wash. We're in downtown Quartzsite, checking out all the activities in the booths. This is the adult daycare bar lounge. They got live music going. Pretty cool.
And then I disappeared for 4 days.
Well, we had a little lunch break down here in Quartzsite. Got some burgers. We're gonna go ahead and hop on the bikes and get back to camp. Fun little outing.
Shut down.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I had more of that. There's something to bring you in.
All right, today is hike day again. We had Jeff shuttle us all down here in his van, and we are gonna be hiking Dome Rock, that big mountain there. And let's count up. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We got a group of 11. This is kind of a short hike, but it's definitely a big elevation gain. So we'll get up there, see what kind of view we have. Beautiful day today. It's supposed to be 70 degrees for a high, and the low's been in the high 40s. Just perfect. The winds have been down. Having a blast out here.
Right, still me, it's just a little people to sit down and sit through.
All right, we're making our way up Dome Rock here. This is a good elevation gain. I think it's a short trail, but we're moving up pretty quick. I of course forgot my hat. Just got a wide brim hat just for stuff like this, and I forgot it. Oh well. She's seriously running. All right, we made it to the top. Look at that view.
No one's over there now. Huh? So are you still?
You still got the summit to try. You might try to scramble up the backside. Okay, we're making the climb to the summit. Gotta do it. Can't come all this way and not try. So we're scrambling up the side here. I try to get on the backside. We're the 3 that conquered it. High fives all around.
Yeah.
Woo! Holy crap, look at that view. 360. Wait a minute, that peak's higher.
We'll do that one next.
And we are camped just behind that hill there. Wow. I gotta take a break. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and make our descent. I wanted to come look at this plaque. There's a cross up here. I think someone brought someone's ashes up. And let's see. Yeah, Jordan Shea Offenbacher. May the sun forever warm his soul and brighten his heart. April 7th, 1979. Wow, young. July 7th, 1998. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Wow, okay. I gotta catch up with the crew. Don't get left here. Did it! We were just at the very top there. We did that. Feeling pretty good about it. All right, we're doing Silly Al's for pizza here. Pizza and drinks after the hike. How's it taste, guys? Yeah, get Mitzi in there. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have been having a blast out here in the desert. It's just been so fun. Great people, great weather, and just so much fun stuff to do. Been really packing in the activities each day and going to bed tired, sleeping great, and just repeating the next day. Really, really good time out here. Wish you guys were out here with us. Anyway, I hope you all are doing well out there, and we will see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.